What's up everybody? Namaskara ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new vlog. Well, I know it's been a very long time since I posted a new vlog in my channel. But yeah, there were so many reasons. I got busy and also I wasn't having a proper laptop to edit my vlogs. And I got to know that new laptop is available in one of the stores in Bangalore. I'm very excited. It's gonna be my first ever laptop purchase. And as you might have read the caption, yes, the laptop which I'm going to purchase is Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. It's one of the best laptops available in the market currently, and it was recently launched in the Prime Day deal in India. I was eagerly waiting for this laptop. I was seeing a lot of reviews from the US, all over the world, but it wasn't available in India. As usual, it gets delayed in India. Finally, it's available. Even though if it is available in India, it's not like you go to store and get it. No, it's not like that. There is a lot of demand for this laptop, and stocks are being comparatively bit less. As a reason, most of them are still not getting this laptop. But luckily, I had got a call from one of the stores in the Bangalore. So now I'll be going there and get my brand new Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. Guys, in case you are watching this vlog for a first time, or you are watching any of my video for first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And yes, as I'm getting the new laptop, definitely I'll be posting new vlogs every week. Hopefully, in case if I'm busy, I might not be able to post. You can also follow me on my Instagram, and here is my Instagram page, so that you won't miss out any notifications of my new vlogs. Okay, enough of these things. Let's go.
Can you tell me your registered mobile number, sir?
After a long wait, finally laptop is available. It's gonna be worth the wait, hopefully. And this is how the box looks. There is a Legion branding here, and thanks to Zubair sir, thanks for letting me know about the stock availability. Yes, we'll get started. Welcome back. Just now came back home, done with the laptop shopping, had unboxed in the store itself, just to verify a few things and make sure everything's fine. But now I'll be unboxing the laptop once again, because I'm not so satisfied. I didn't make a proper video there. That's the reason I'll be making unboxing video now for you guys. And yes, I forgot to mention, along with the laptop, I also got a Legion bag. This is a laptop bag. It's good, and it's like more of complimentary, and it's more common now. If you purchase a laptop, you obviously get a laptop bag for it. Yeah, without further delay, let's get started. As usual, inside the box we do get a couple of instruction manuals. This is the instruction manual we get. Let's keep this aside. And this is the power brick packed in a box. Yeah, it's a 300 watt hour power brick. And there is a Legion sticker as well. As you can see in the back side of the laptop, there are vents on the either side, and we get 3 USB type A port, 1 USB type C, 1 HDMI and 1 port for power in. On the right side we get 1 USB type A port and 1 e-shutter button, that is to enable or disable the camera. And on the left we get 1 USB type C and 1 port for headphone or mic. And at the bottom side we can see there is a huge exhaust vent, which is really good. Let me show you the specs that I bought. There are different variants. I went for Ryzen 7 5800H processor and RTX 3060 series. As you can see, it says device name, and this is the processor, AMD Ryzen, and installed RAM is 16 GB. And yeah, you get other info there. Also, let me show you the graphics information. So you can see this is the display one, that is for AMD Radeon graphics, and you also get dedicated graphics card, that is RTX 3060. The best part about this laptop is it has got a Quad HD IPS display with 165 Hz of refresh rate, 100% sRGB, Dolby Vision. What else? HDR 400 as well. My god, the colors in this laptop come out so good, so natural, to be practical. Well, what more do I need as a content creator? This really serves my purpose. Personally, I feel they could have improved one thing, that is the camera. It is still 720p. They could have upgraded it to 1080p. This laptop weighs around 2.5 kg maybe. Yeah, it's a bit heavier comparatively, as it is meant for heavy processing tasks. And speaking about the build quality of this laptop, it's incredible. That's what I can say. It has got aluminum build that really makes this laptop feel more premium. And guys, this is just an unboxing video, not a review. As far as the initial impressions, I feel this laptop is really good, and yes, we gotta pay that premium amount to get such a quality. I have included the links to buy this laptop in the description as well. Apart from that, guys, if you need any gaming reviews or if you need any particular benchmark testing, in-depth review, definitely I'll be doing it. But yeah, in case you need anything else, please comment it down. And guys, in case you like this vlog, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Well, it's absolutely free to do. Please do it. That's all about this vlog. We'll see you in the next vlog.